How to add power saving to the lock screen shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. So you can go to the home screen, touch and hold, then tap on Wallpaper Install. Next, tap on the left-hand side panel. Then we go down either on the left or the right shortcut, tap on it. Then we go down and select power saving. So tapping on the power saving will allow you to change the shortcuts to power saving. Then tap on done. And now if you go to the lock screen, you can swipe on it to turn on or turn off power saving. So here, if you go down, you can see it will turn, sorry, I pressed on the wrong one. Here it will turn on power saving. And if I switch it, now it will turn off power saving. So it's now off. You can also make the changes directly from the lock screen. So touch and hold on the lock screen. Then we go down and tap on the shortcut. And from here choose power saving. And then tap on done. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.